You can't say
It's my favorite part. All right, so this part isn't funny. President Donald Trump has been impeached for a second time this week after he encouraged a mob of loyalists to, quote, fight like hell, unquote, against election results just before they stormed the U.S. Capitol in a deadly siege on January 6, 2021. I tell people all the time, Trump is making a movie. Yeah? It's this is season 4, episode 20. So the last episode in our season, you have to drop it high, man.
I'm just saying, it's a lot of content to write about.
Oh, yeah.
So, you know, when this book is published,
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
it's going to definitely be a bestseller.
Because,
you know, it's going to be a bestseller for sure.
You know what I say? Americans don't compete at anything. They don't play, they compete. So they want to be the best at everything. So they want, when history is written, they are remembered as a country that just did everything over the top. As I say in Texas, you know, everything is bigger. So.
I don't know why, you know, all the participants thought that they would have gotten away with it because it's all on camera.
Yeah.
Like there's footage of everybody who was inside that space, you know.
Yeah, but they learn from them ancestors, you know. Them ancestors cover them face back in the day, you know, when they do them something there.
Oh, I wasn't there.
Just saying, they cover their face back in the day when they do them.
But you know what? I'm realizing with all the newscasts and stuff that they're actually looking for them, for the different people, and they're locking them up and such. So
find them, man.
Yeah, find them, man.
You think I stop the count alone?
Yeah.
It's hashtag lock them up.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Christopher Tufton, says more than 16% of Jamaicans, or Jamaica's population, could be vaccinated against COVID-19 this year if efforts to secure safe vaccines outside of the COVAX facility materializes. Now, that's 16%. It's a start. It's a start, you know. I was just hoping it would have been more. That's
Yeah, take it.
If I'm taking it?
Yeah.
Yes. Because I want to move, I want to go around, especially with my kind of business.
True.
I don't
Because
like.
you have to touch the road.
We have to touch the road, man.
Touch the road.
And one of my friends she lives overseas, Shauna Chin, she's a doctor over there as well. She took it. In fact, I think it was yesterday that she got another one, or it was the day before yesterday. Yeah, because and it's the Pfizer that she took.
Okay.
So she said what happened in terms of side effect is that she felt a little headache and thing, and you know she just takes something for it, and that was it.
Me not panic. Yeah, me panic nothing. That's my problem, you know, with them with that something. Me panic nothing. So when I was in the States and I took the flu shot, so after I get it, like a day after, they be me sick bad. And
you think it's partly mental as well, because you're thinking in your head, it's something happened to me, and more things that happen to me.
My coworker said she feel a little way. She feel fluish. You see, as soon as she says so, my head start hurt me.
Yeah, me still start. My
temperature gone up. My back.
Me get very antsy as well when people start sneezing and them something they're saying and cough. Like, it may not be eating up, but it just,
you know? Yeah, man, the mind's a powerful thing.
Maybe.
All right, so the government has extended the island-wide curfew and all other previously announced measures under the Disaster Risk Management Act until Sunday, January 31. All right, you see, what I don't understand is that I just don't see anything happening because they had all of December to the 15th of January, 45 days. You know, see, I haven't seen a spike, the Christmas spike that they were expecting, and I don't see any concrete plans in place to just help us move forward. It's just the same things over and over. Are we going to move forward from this thing, or are we just going to continue?
Well, the introduction of the vaccine is probably the most actionable and you know, the thing that would probably solve it once and for all. However, the curfew is there to restrict movement.
Yeah, but
you understand?
Restrict movement at the night. What about in the day?
True.
Like, Debbie, sometimes don't as a coronation market. And I'm looking around, I see hundreds of people just walk around.
Did they have on masks?
Not all of them. Some had on masks, some didn't.
So it comes down now to personal responsibility.
Yeah, exactly.
Because once, you know, when it just started, they had the tracing happening, but then it became too much. Them can't trace it no more. So it boils down to people taking personal responsibility for themselves because it's still alive and well. And
but some people don't believe in it. And that's the issue, you know.
Because the government can do so much and
I know more. But I still not understand the curfew part. That is the part that still, it baffles a lot of us, even me, because movement at night the virus still
What do we
spread
think
on the
about
day.
it though?
Me
I
think
mean,
about
when
it
people
hard, man.
finish working, right? And usually before the curfew and before the pandemic, after work you go where? You go hang out with your brethren them, or you probably go on a party, or you probably go
But
eat.
I still hang out with my brethren them after work. I still hang out with my brethren.
But
them.
at least everybody have to turn at a certain time, so it probably won't draw more people in this space.
Okay, but we're following all the protocols. We are following all the protocols. There's none of my friends that catch COVID. Follow all the protocols, and we do the same things we've always done. It's just that we have a go in by a certain time. I know some man say, when I say Clive, nah go in. And the indiscipline, that's the only thing we don't like, the indiscipline part. But we need something more. I feel like we need
I
something
don't think
more.
things will change until this vaccine is available to more than.
We can't just wait for the vaccine. Like, I honestly don't think we should be just
Drink some
waiting
turmeric.
on the
Well, no, let me not.
Drink some ginger tea. But,
Yeah, we still need something that will just eradicate this whole thing once and for all.
When I start to come, I can say, 11 o'clock, I can go and jam a little bit. So they come, you have as 10:30 come.
You have to turn in, clean off your shoes for church.
Yeah.
And
I
soak
go
the
church
peas.
online. Just put on my shirt.
You have to soak the peas and season up with Christmas Sunday dinner.
Can soak that for Sunday. Soak it on Sunday morning, wake up.
Hush, friend, I know it's hard, man. Guys,
But seriously though, follow the thing. Follow the thing.
personal responsibility
Yes.
is very, very, very important, okay?
Yeah, man.
COVID is still alive and well. Wear your masks, sanitize, and social distance.
distance.
Same way. Physical distance. Physical distance. That's it for our trending topics. You were saying?
What difference? Physical and social?
Because we still have to socialize. But the physical distance is, you have to just stay some feet apart from me. Anyways, when we return, we go ahead to, in the game of 5 in 5. That's what it's called. 5 in 5. 5 things in 5
I work on
minutes or 5 times.